Hi, I'm Dr. Linda List-Bronstein. Today, we are diving into an essential skill that supports children as they learn to read and understand stories, making inferences. So, what exactly is inference making? It's like being a detective while you read, using evidence and logic to figure out what's happening without the author saying it directly. It's like reading between the lines or reading between the pictures. Think about this. These four illustrations represent the entire story, or do they? Much can happen between the pictures, just as readers infer meaning by reading between the lines. Creating a story from these pictures helps children practice making inferences about characters' plans, thoughts, and motivations, enhancing story comprehension. What's particularly important for you to know is that the inference making skills can be developed before children become fluent readers. Research tells us that when children look at picture story sequences, they can engage in the same inferencing processes as when they read text. To help children make inferences, you can use two effective strategies: modeling your thinking and prompting with questions. When you verbalize your thought process, it helps children understand how to connect clues in the pictures to their background knowledge. Just like this.
I think Kim is in a workshop. I use the clues in the pictures and what I know about building things to infer that Kim is in a workshop because I see things for building.
The other strategy is to ask probing questions. This encourages children to think critically and explore what's not immediately visible and consider what might be happening in the character's mind. For example, we can ask questions like, how do you know where the character is? How do you know what she is doing? Why might she be building a birdhouse? So take this question. Why might the character be building a birdhouse? To answer the question, children use the clues they see in the pictures and combine it with their background knowledge about birds to make an educated guess. Eventually, they will apply these skills to the stories they read on their own. Parents and teachers often say to me that a child seems to be just reading the words without understanding. That's why encouraging inference making is so important. It helps students actively engage with the text. We've created a collection of YouTube videos to help you and your child practice using inference skills. Children can watch them independently or with adult guidance. You can find the links in the description below. Oh, right. And don't forget to like and subscribe.